Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back. How are you guys doing? What do we have today? Any good setups or not? Wow. Look at this EJ. What a nice trade this was. Smooth break and retest. Aussie Dollar has broken down finally. They didn't want to take Aussie Dollar. Perfect break and retest. Yeah, thing is, I would probably enter on this last candle because it is a very small range. I would probably enter here in the 2-3 pip range from where candles are close to these wicks that it made. But I think it's already gone. It's already 10 pips profit. Looks like it's already 10 pips. It has moved already. But look at this. How good this was. Pretty nice, huh? If you guys saw this and didn't take it, I'm gonna kick you. Because this was so good. Can this be a daily retest on GBP US dollar? I think we have another support here which can be just a rejection. This can be just a rejection. I'm just gonna go through all pairs just to see what we have right now. Aussie dollar, see the setup was here. A break out of this consolidation. Did the retest here and all the way down. All you had to do is enter in a 2-3 pip range since we had some big wicks here. But I think this was very nice. This was pretty good. Okay. Ash, what did you take? GJ buys. Okay, nice. I didn't take anything. Looks like I'm behind. today. See if I can find something. Cad JPY. NGD US dollar. Nothing much. Looks like I don't have many chances coming up. Look, GBP US dollar. From what I see here, I see that we have a zone here. But to be honest, I don't trust it, so I'm not gonna take anything. I just see that we do have a zone here, and it was respected a lot of times, and it can respect again. But right now, I think it already did that first rejection. I think I'm gonna wait. And also the previous daily candle, how it closed. I think it's a bit risky to take GU because we have this daily resistance here, which we might reject. On the other hand, GJ can be a nice sell on the daily. 138.800. Nice sells at this point here, but we're gonna have to wait. Above the buys, let me check. We do have a zone here. Yesterday did really respect this, already close above, and did a retest here. But if you want to put your line just a little above, we have plenty of these different candle closes. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see about that. All I see is zones, as the setup you mentioned was coming from another zone. Let me check. Yeah, if you remember yesterday, we talked about EJ, and I said that this shouldn't be counted as a problem for us because it was just a minor level on EJ. It was just a minor level, and I said what we should focus on is these two major zones. We know that in every consolidation box there's a middle zone that might be for EJ, but it's not strong at all. What's important is these two major zones in between. So I think that shouldn't have been a problem. And actually, before the breakout, price didn't come at this. It did a retest, then it came. So that should have been the first target. Euro US dollar, yeah, this was pretty good actually. I was about to take this, but I caught it when it was about to turn bullish, and I was late. But yeah, this was a very good trade actually. I just missed it. But if I was when it was making the retest, definitely I would take this. Unless there's something wrong with the 4 hour. But from what I see on the 1 hour, it looks pretty good. Some nice consolidation, did a breakout, had a good range to fill, and continuation, yeah, looks good. Nice trade. I would take this too. What else? What else? Euro AUD. Euro AUD. Nothing much happening. USD still in this box. Still in this consolidation box. What about USD Cad here? Because USD Cad broke a very nice level, and also it did break another 4-hour level here, but it is coming from another level. So many levels in between. We check the 1 hour. Yeah, looks like the 1 hour is coming from resistance. But check this. This was very nice. On 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours ago, this nice break and retest happened here. Yeah, this would be a trade I would take without hesitation. We had a good range to fill. This is also a 4-hour level, I guess. Lots of rejections, nice breakout, retest, continuation. Perfect. Perfect. Spanish, please. Oh, you want us to speak Spanish? I don't know.
Good morning, Zed.
Beitu, good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Good. I'm good. Not bad.
Good.
Any trades today?
I didn't take anything today.
Okay. And no need to rush.
I saw EJ. EJ was very nice, but I wasn't sure about the zone, if it would break or not, so I didn't take it. But then I adjusted my zone and saw that was perfect. But yeah, it's Friday, so no need to rush, as you said.
Yeah. Even if we don't take any trades, it's still good because the week was pretty good. We made some nice trades during the week, so even if we don't take a trade this last day of the week, it's Friday, so it wouldn't be a big deal.
Yeah, exactly, bro. No need to rush.
We're just gonna wait for a very good setup, unless a very good setup doesn't come. There's no need for us to take any trades. They need to be pretty clean break and retest.
It was an amazing week.
Yeah, this week was very nice. I mean, we had great setups in the morning, then the whole day we didn't have to do anything after. It's great when you have a good trade on London session because you have the whole day off after. If you are disciplined, you can just spend the whole day with doing something else.
Yeah,
It
I
can be pretty good.
didn't do anything yesterday after our trades. Even though there was GJ sells after our buys, but I didn't take it. I wasn't really watching and wasn't really on my computer yesterday.
Yeah, I saw some good setups yesterday happened after, but I was happy with what I made, so didn't have to get involved again. Okay, so Aussie dollar, can I take a sell on this level? Well, it looks like you can, but I don't know if it did close below that, because it didn't. You're gonna need to wait for more. You need to wait still. Let's take a look at some charts here that came. Let's see. GBP USD 4-hour level. Yeah, very nice trade. I like this. Took a 4-hour break and retest. Perfect. It looks very nice. Congrats. You did take a very nice trade there. It is very close. I can't see much, but from what I see, this was a very nice trade. Congrats. Usd Cad, 1 hour. Break, waiting for a retest. Wow, that looks pretty nice. Usd Cad. Now let's take a look. Okay, this looks pretty good. I'm gonna take this. Why not? Clean break and retest. Lots of rejections before breaking the zone. Now we do have a clean breakout. All we need is a retest for some more continuation. It looks like there's plenty of room to drop if we do get the retest. So let's wait and see. Yeah, it looks like we have clean traffic. We have clean traffic on the left. Let's see. All we need is a retest. It's gonna be only 5, 6 pips, 7 pips pullback. So it's not a very big move for the retest.
The daily looks awesome as the cat. Very nice daily rejection.
This 1 hour looks perfect. Can't see a better trade right now, and this looks like it's gonna be a clean break and retest. I just hope we get a retest, because if we don't, not good. I'm thinking about Aussie dollar, because we still might have a chance on Aussie dollar. Still might have a chance, who knows? But we're gonna need to break this previous low in order to take a sell here. Because you can see on the left we have a support here. If we do push through that, we have a very good range to fill here on Aussie dollar. But we'll see. We need to come below 0.72230. Phil, we don't trade USD Cad, but we trade if it gives us a trade. I don't trade it usually, because usually I have other setups coming up on other pairs. Since we don't have anything else on our pairs, then why not try USD Cad? Let's see. It's pretty good setup, clean. Traffic on the left, we don't have any. A good retest, and we can continue all the way down. We can use a stop loss around 10 pips, 12 pips, nothing more. I don't think it's needed here. And then after we can continue all the way down. Pepperstone is not working. I tried to copy your trade. I don't know if you can copy the trades from Pepperstone. Even though somebody said that you can. If you can't, then you have to open an IC Markets account. Let's see. Okay. You are a very calm Thai person? Yes, I am. Why should I not be calm? Okay, GBP JPY 4-hour breakout retest. Might be. It might be. Daily might reject. We have a daily zone also, but I think the daily zone is a little higher. Beto, this guy stole your colors.
My colors? No.
No, you have different.
Yeah, I have white and black.
Yeah, I think we do have a good range below around 30 pips, I think, if you look at the daily one. If you look at the daily, we have a 20-30 pip range to fill. Yeah, that's it. Nick, yeah, stop loss, let's say if it comes for retest, stop loss is going to be just above the previous wick, previous candle here. But it doesn't mean that's going to come here, because if it comes, it's going to be a fake out probably. But we'll see. The maximum it should come is 0.89700. That should be the retest first. Then we'll see. But at a time I thought this is not moving at all, because it's at the same place for 10 minutes. Hasn't moved at all. But we're gonna wait, who knows, we might get a retest. If not, then we're gonna have to move on, because if there's no retest, there's no trade. The breakout is already there. All we need is a retest. I noticed from previous session when you place trades you take multiple positions. Can you explain where and when you get the best profit? When you enter to get the best profit? Don't really understand. The reason why I use multiple positions is, let's say you have wicks here and you have the zone where candles are closed. So my support or resistance is always where candles are closed. That's the real support for me. And the candles and the wicks are just a zone. So price can reject from the wicks and from where candles are closed. So in order for you to not miss the trade, you decide to take a trade in a small range between where candles are closed and where the wicks are. Sometimes you can have big wicks, so you have to set a small range where you can enter, and you choose a average price. Let's say from here to here, you decide to enter in a 2-3 pips range. So you start to enter positions here, and while it comes higher, you add the positions that you have left. Let's say you enter 50% here, and you leave another 50 when it comes deeper. That's why I enter multiple positions. Some people don't like it, but I do like it. It's my style of trading. I like to enter a lot of positions. The risk is still the same. You just split that risk in 10 positions. So we'll see.
Said I think the chart that we got sent from this guy with the 4-hour GJ retest.
Yeah.
I think it was a pretty good one.
Thing is, on the 1 hour we already closed above this level. So if we're above this level on the 1 hour, 4 hour is doing a retest, I think it's just not that safe. But I do think that we might reject this zone because we have this daily resistance here, just a little above. I mean, we can reject that, but we also have another support here. So many things. If we think about sells, we are coming from another zone, right?
Yeah, that's the reason not
Yeah.
to take it.
But if you look at this level, it's a pretty good level for GJ. If it comes all the way up here, that's gonna mean that we're already gonna have a how many pips? 100 pip pullback. So when it does the 100 pips pullback, comes for a retest at this zone, I would probably expect some rejections on the first touch, even though it's coming from another zone, because it's a big range. Whenever it comes, it has to reject that zone. So I'm gonna wait. I don't like anything right now on
Okay.
GJ. What's happening? Unless USD Cad gives us something.
Yeah, and on NZD Cat, if this stays like that, we can still have a trade on the 4-hour, almost the same zone.
Yeah,
I hope it
we
just
can.
don't go.
I hope it doesn't go too far, because if it stays around here, then comes for retest, we can still have a good chance. Even if it doesn't come right away in this candle, the next one might come, or even the next one, who knows.
Yeah, that would be great.
But as long as it doesn't fill the range then comes, we are good. But if it moves all the way down to this daily zone that we have next, which is our target, and then comes, that's when we skip it, because that would be a daily rejection after. Aussie dollar, what's happening with it? I'm just still waiting. I'm still waiting on Aussie dollar. I'm gonna need to have a break of this small box now. Box after box. And when we break this, we're gonna have another very nice trade to the downside at this next level here. We're gonna have a very nice level. Just waiting. How to stop being emotional while trading? Well, what can I say? Use good risk. I mean, look, stress is gonna come when you use big risk. If you're gonna use good risk, there's not gonna be a reason to worry about. It's just gonna be trade after trade. Every trade's gonna be the same because you're gonna use the same risk. But if you start to think, okay, this looks very nice, I'm gonna risk 10% of this. What if it doesn't work? Then you're gonna need if you're regularly using 1% and suddenly a good setup comes and you risk 5 or 10%. After that, your confidence is going to be very low, and you're going to need then 5 or 6 trades, good trades, to come back for that loss that you made. So it's just, I think you need to be able to use good risk, and Yeah, I see. When my students are using big risk, I can see that because they're gonna be worried too much. You know why I'm never worried? Because I use the same risk. There's no need to worry. Just every trade is just another trade for me. If I lose 1%, it's not gonna be a big deal because I already made 5 or 6% this week. Are we gonna see your trade live? Chris, yeah. Look at the previous live streams and you see that I take them live. Is SD Cad usually a slow mover? Probably, yeah. That's why that's why the reason why we don't trade it. What's your opinion about New York session? New York session is pretty good also. New York session is pretty good. If you don't find any trades on London session, then when New York session comes, you can find one. Come on, NZD Cad, give us something. Starting to have a pullback.
The sun is shining on you, bro. We should get a good trade.
Yeah, the sun came up now. Can't see anything.
You look like an angel.
Let's see. Let's see if we're going to be blessed with a good trade. Just a matter of time now.
Sad, bro.
Yes,
On DJ, right? I have my zone at 0.300 ish. And I have it a little bit more up.
You mean the zone here?
A little below that. Yeah, yes, exactly there where your second line is at. And do you think if we can break this level again with the 1 hour, could we take the trade based on 1 hour and 4 hour? Let's say if we, let me comment that. Let's say if we can close above here, so we would have a 1 hour and 4 hour and then take this retest and then go up. Is that possible or is it still risky?
I think at this time, at this moment, it might be a bit risky, but you know, the more rejections we get, the better the zone's gonna get here. If we're gonna get another one or two rejections, this level is just gonna confirm that we do have a good level here, and we can use it as a break, as a zone to take a break and retest. But right now, I don't know. It's just gonna be not not as much as rejections I would like to see before taking the break and retest. Even though we have 1, 2 candles, this is the third one. If we would have another rejection and maybe then the breakout and the retest, we could have something good here. Other than that, I don't know. It's just daily has too many zones. I can't really decide what I'm gonna do on GG. I would just want to find a simple setup. I don't like that I have to think too much about GG what I'm gonna do, because there's a zone here, there's a zone here. If you go on the daily, we have a resistance here. Then we have another one which there's a possibility that might come for a retest. Then I don't know. It's too many zones.
I see. Yeah, we need a clean one.
Need a clean one, which is Usd Cad, but it's just not coming for a retest. How slow this is, can't believe it. It's even slower than USD JPY. Oh, we have now another expert, Angela Mendy. Can't believe now Mr. Sanders is married. USD Cad, wow, what a big rejection. We'll see, we might have something here. Your cat is a clean one? I don't know, I wouldn't trust your cat right now. Wouldn't trust your cat right now. I don't know, what else? USD US dollar is sitting at support. GBP US dollar, nothing much. Aussie dollar. How much time we have left? Another 30 minutes. I was thinking about selling AUD US dollar with a 5 pip stop loss, just above the previous one. But I don't know. Coming all the way from down here, that doesn't. That's what I don't really like. If I take a sell here, I'm gonna have to be prepared to take a small loss in case it pushes above. But even there, I can still hold it because it might just be a deeper retest to continue. But the risk reward would be pretty big if we do take a sell here with a stop loss just above. I'm gonna stay away. It's not a regular setup that I would take, so would I take USD Cad if it breaks below? That's the question. Maybe. Coming from another zone, breaking below. Good range to fill to the downside. Why not? Let's see. No need to rush, we still have plenty of time until we get something good. No need to risk until we get something good. Do we have any news today? Euro GBP. Nico business. I don't really trade Euro GBP. Can you send me a chart? I want to see more what's on the left. Move this to the right and let's see what we have on the left. Euro AUD. This looks good. If we do get a good close below, maybe I'll consider some sells here. We get a good close below. See how good every time price came here, it respected this zone. Can expect the same thing. Create a small consolidation box here. If we do manage to get a good close, might have a good trade on our hands. And EA is very volatile, so it can easily give us a quick 20 pips. Morning. Today so far it's going slowly. We don't have much happening.
I think USD Cad could really be a good one set. As you said, if it breaks below, can be interesting for us.
Yeah, USD Cad, let's see. USD Cad can be good. USD Cad looks like it's not gonna give us a chance. But USD Cad and EA can give us a chance. We'll see. CJ can be good also. Let's take a look. Yeah, might be good also, CJ. Looks like it has a good range to fill. Yeah, I think we're gonna have some good setups coming. We just have to wait. Just have to wait until that perfect one comes.
On USD Cad, the 4-hour will close as a big engulfing candle, like a really huge one. Is there a way to take it based on the 4-hour? Because it doesn't really look like there is a zone on the 4-hour.
Yeah, if we go below the zone on the 4-hour and the 1-hour closes, means we broke that zone. So we'll see how it goes. Let me check the daily. See what I think USD CAD might come for a daily retest, and we can take that chance if it breaks that 1-hour level. It can come for that daily retest and might reject to the upside, but that doesn't matter to us. But we can catch this move when it comes for a retest on a daily, while waiting for a break of that 1-hour zone and 4-hour. So we'll see. See, we have plenty of rejections. When it closes pretty good below, we have good reason to believe that price can continue to the downside. Let's go EA, give us a chance. What's my lot size? What does that matter? What does that matter? Lewis, you made 20k. Very nice. I made 500,000 today. Okay, Nico. The only problem can be this one here, and maybe it would be better if you wait for a good candle to come also below this, then wait for the retest, because this might act as support here. Look what happened when this candle closed below. See how we got rejected first, came down, then pushed it up again. So if this candle, let's say, comes all the way down, closes below this too, then that would be a very good setup, I think. That's just my opinion. How long I've been trading? 4 years, since 2016. We're going for the 5th year. No, we don't trade DAX or NAS. So we'll see. Yeah, I do this full time. It is full time. I'm a full-time trader, but I don't trade all day, if that's what you mean with full-time. I trade, if I get a good trade, I'm done for a day. Let's see, EA is about to break. We have another 20 minutes. Plenty to have a good breakout. EA can be very nice.
Usd Cad melting.
No way, didn't wait us.
Okay, it's just 10 pips, but it went already. But
Yeah,
it looks
yeah.
like it's melting.
It is, because if
14
we would get a retest, this would be a 20 pip move. And we would be done. No way, man. Why didn't do just a small pullback at least? We would enter in a 2-3 pip range.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Are you trading for a living? Well, I have to, right? Because nobody's gonna come and give me money if I don't do it. by myself. An update has happened on CTrader. Did anyone get it? What's the updates? I don't see much. Okay, so can you be honest? Is it worth it trading for the long run? Look, there's no better business than this. You get to wake up whenever you want. You get to trade 1 hour a day, and the rest of the day can be off if you have a good trade. You don't have a boss. What else do we want? So it is worth it. Let's take a look at this chart here. AD and USD. Nice trade. You got 20 pips there. Pretty good. Not bad. I guess I don't have much information in your chart, but I guess this was your reason, this break of this zone here. That's what I think. But just an advice for the next time, stop loss was too small. You would get stopped pretty easily. Use a little bigger stop loss. Because from what I see here, you only had like 4 or 5 pip stop loss. It's too risky. You could have might get stopped and then price would shoot up. Okay. Tune Master sent a chart. Let's take a look. GBP JPY break, hopefully retest. Yeah, the GJ was pretty good yesterday. GJ was pretty good. You could have taken this trade without a worry. Oh my god, Capital Hungary is in the house. Welcome, welcome. I didn't really see the chat first. I thought, what the hell happened? We have an invasion. Welcome, Capital Hungary, welcome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, everyone. Hello, hello. Capital Hungary, take a go to his account. and leave him a subscribe. Let's go, let's go. Leave Capital Hungry a like and subscribe. Let's go. Now it's our chance to go and invade Capital Hungry chat. Let's go and leave a comment. Go leave a comment, okay? Go leave a comment. Just because, as a thank you to Capital Hungry.
Yeah, bro, I left to comment as well.
Great.
He's very strong on fundamentals. Oh, he's disliking Paul.
Yeah, he's always messing around with Paul. He says he's fake.
He's a cool guy. I like you.
Cool. Paul,
You
yeah.
want
Nice guy. Always
Capital Angry,
trying to help, yeah. So
but it's not my world. 1 minute.
like Siad.
There are a lot of strategies that work, but you have
Of
to find
course.
the one that is working for you, right?
Yeah, suits your personality, and risk management is what all systems have in common.
Yes.
Successful systems. You need risk management. That's key.
Okay, so let's see now. What are we gonna do? What are we going to do here? Because we're not having that much movement. I think USD Cad maybe can give us a trade here. Because other than this, I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah, I agree.
Okay, Aga, let's take a look. You lost confidence because of the 4-hour zone overall bearish. Can you let me know what you think? Look, to be honest, on CAD-JPY, let me check. I would probably not take a trade, first of all, because this was a weak breakout. If you thought about that. And a retest after this good close, it is pretty bearish, but we could still have some continuation to the upside. I mean, there's plenty of room to move up. And if you look at the 4-hour, the 4-hour is a pretty strong level. I think unless it comes from another zone, we should have a rejection when it comes for a retest. But it's just going to be maybe just a little risky. See, the thing is, we do have a small zone here, because we do have a few rejection, and this candle first got rejected, and this one is rejecting too. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. The 4-hour looks good actually. The 4-hour looks good. See how strong this level is? If it comes for retest the 4-hour, it should definitely respect this level and have some continuation. Oh, you took it before the stream started. But you weren't that sure. In which candle did you take it? Which candle did you take it? This one? This one here? Yes, okay, so I think the only problem here was that the breakout was pretty small. Weak breakout. Other than that, you know, the level was pretty good. Only problem was the breakout was small. But you lost confidence because of the 4-hour. And you were right, because the 4-hour level was there, and you would have some doubts when taking it because the 4-hour level was very strong. I think I wouldn't take it. I think I wouldn't take it just because, as you said, the 4-hour would make me doubt the trade. And also when I would look at the 1-hour, the breakout would be very small, so I would probably skip this. And I would wait for a better close, or the 4-hour, which 4-hour is closing soon. Same trade on GJ. Can you tell if it was valid? Okay, so the 4-hour level was here, right? Let's take a look at the 1-hour. Yeah, thing is, GJ is a whole different thing because GJ had a huge close above, a huge bullish candle, and I see that the guys took the trade at this level, right? So at this level we have a 12 pip breakout. Yeah, I think it was valid. GJ was valid, but CJ was not that good. Weak close. Yes. Let's take a look at the daily. What's up with the daily? What's up with the daily? Was daily at resistance? Good question. I think it had some more room to continue up. Yeah, I think there was more room to continue up. There was another 20 or 30 pips, I don't know. Let me check here. So this is the daily. Yeah, we had another 25 pips, almost 20 pips, until where the daily candles are closed. Okay, let's see. Usd Cad is giving us a good close. Good breakout. Let's see. Do you consider 1.31326 a support on USD Cad? On USD Cad, I consider 1.31400 as a support, which is breaking now. We are breaking now. We have another 5 minutes. Hopefully we get a retest, because if not, it's not good. It's not good if not. Let's see. Waiting for retest. Waiting for break. Waiting for retest. On GJ. Okay. Like I said before, I explained this GJ thing. I would like more rejections. GU. Let's take a look at GU. GPUSD. Yeah, I don't like GPUSD. Aren't we too close to 4-hour support? Where 4-hour USD Cad? I think we have more room to push down. See on the 1 hour, still have more room to drop.
Yeah, bro, I like that as well. I think a good entry for me will be at 1.3135. What do you think? Or is it too early?
Let me check. I think we have to wait for that good retest. Let's see. We can enter at 360, 370 to 400 in a 4 or 5 pip range. Because a whole pullback all the way up to the next support would be pretty big. Wouldn't like that. Yeah, we can enter in a 5 pip range from 350 to 400. We'll see. NZD CAD 4 hour. I don't know about NZD CAD. I think it already moved to the downside. I mean, yeah, we still have more room to drop. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe I'll take it. Who knows? We're leaving a big wick, but gonna have to choose if I want to take USD CAD or NZD CAD. What do you think about Aussie Dollar on the daily? Yeah, Aussie Dollar. I think Aussie Dollar is gonna go down, but thing is, Chris, sells Chris. If you don't know that, Chris, it's not good. It's not a good sign from you. Look, Aussie Dollar already did a retest and got rejected all the way down. So it did a whole 20 pip move, I think. Let me check here. Yeah, almost 20 pips. Now it's coming again to test the zone. The 4 hour is still opened. You know, I think what might happen here is we might have a deeper pullback. Then we should still continue to the downside. Hola, como trade Let me read that Spanish.
Spanish, man.
Hola, como
Hola.
trado en una MacBook y TradingView. No sé, amigo.
Let me help him out.
Carlos, we have the Spanish master here.
Okay, where it is? No inglés. Agustín.
No hablo inglés, pero me habla español, so.
Still learning.
Carlos,
Agustín, pon tu pregunta de nuevo. Que no la veo en el chat. Todos en inglés. No, Andrés, hay gente que habla español también.
Andres is Spanish
Andrés,
too.
yeah, Spanish.
Okay, 80 US dollar closed pretty strong, pushing straight to the upside. What the hell happened? Let me see. Euro US dollar. We have a good chance, I think, on USD Cad. Should get a good rejection after.
Exactly, Ale Domenico.
Thinking about USD Cad, I don't know right now. I'm not very sure about it.
I like the 1 hour rejection we just had the previous one.
I mean, we left a very good wick to fill now. After we make another retest or another, no, it's actually the first retest.
Yeah, it's the first one.
Thinking, what should I do here? Because USD Cad, still time.
Daily looks great.
USD Cad?
No, New Zealand Cat.
Yeah, we should have some continuation. But I'm just waiting to see if it's gonna come higher. Because we need to come higher. We are in a 720, 840. We're in a 4th break range.
Yeah, I think you have it marked, but 08938, it's a daily zone that could maybe do a retest today. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, that's the target for me.
Yeah, but the thing is, this what I don't like personally is this rejection, because maybe it retests the zone and it's going back again like a daily retest.
That's the thing. That's the thing, because I wanted to come lower. See, if we look at it, it's already in the daily zone.
Yeah, it touched the wicks.
It touched the wick, because on lower time frame, these are 1 hour and 4 hour candles here. And yeah, I don't know, it just looks too risky. When you look at the 4 hour, you still see that wick that we can fill easy. The thing is, we didn't have a retest at all before. It just pushed straight to the downside. And I think when it comes here for retest, we might have that 10-15 pips rejection. Then after that, maybe we can still continue up, but first we're gonna have a rejection. See, this is a 25 pips range almost.
Yeah, maybe you get a 10 pips and then it goes back again.
Yeah, this right here should go bearish, but I don't want to enter. I'm gonna enter only if it comes higher. I want to catch a good entry if I want to take this, because there's no room for drawdown here if we want to catch only that 10 pips, right? Because if we enter here, we might push another 5 pips. Then when it rejects to turn bearish, we're gonna have only 5 pips. Then we need to wait for our price to push lower, and if it doesn't, then we might get stopped after, because it can still move to the upside. If we want to take sells, it needs to come higher.
Yeah, you need that perfect entry to get that 10 pips.
Yeah. EA didn't break, so there's no trade there. USD Cad looks like it's not coming for that retest right now. Look at Aussie Dollar. Look at this close. I mean, it's close pretty bullish. I don't know. You see, this is why I say that. This is why I say that we need the first retest, and we don't like to take the second one, because the first one, it did respect the level, went all the way down, gave almost 20 pips. Now second time, the more it tries, the more risk it's going to be, and the higher chance it's going to be for breaking that zone. Let's see. Yeah, you have to wait on Euro AUD, because it's not a break yet. Another 1 hour for a breakout. After that, you can think of taking a trade on Euro AUD. No retests. No retests. Is he at daily support now? Yeah, USD Cad. It's at daily support. Straight to the downside. Thinking about USD Cad. Should I take it or should I not take it?
I took a half risk set on this one.
On USD Cad?
Yeah, half risk, 15 pips up. Let's see. Still think that it will reject and fill the wick.
Yeah, I think at 10 pips at least rejection we could get, because you know it's touched like 1, 2, 3, 4 times.
Yeah. See all this like a consolidation box or something, and I mean there is no reason to reject that much like heavily and go back into the range for me.
The thing is that based on the daily, it could be a daily retest, but I think due to the nature of the zone, it should reject at least something. That's what I'm counting on.
Let's see. I have entry at 0.700.
Yeah, thing is, I'm not gonna take it. Not gonna take it because of the spread. It's too big.
Got a 0.5 spread.
Spread is too big here. This is also one of the reasons I don't trade these.
Yes.
Yeah, these pairs they have big spreads. Yeah, I'm not very sure actually. I'm not very sure. I don't know. I don't feel comfortable watching daily reject like this. If you look at the previous one, how strong that was, we had a daily zone here, and it looks like it already came, even though not exactly at the price where these daily candles are. Seeing this big rejection, I don't know. I just don't feel comfortable.
You know, one other reason that I took this trade was the daily on yesterday. It was a huge rejection. I can't imagine that this one will just turn around and go bullish again. You know, it can happen, of course, it can happen. And for me, this rejection this week, it didn't come close enough. There is like 10, 15 pips room.
Look, it took a sell, so
No, I'm not taking it. I'm not
you know
comfortable.
I'm taking
Okay, I took
it.
a sell.
I'm taking it, but I'm gonna use a small stop loss. My stop loss is gonna be at 790, around 9 pips. So I'm not gonna risk a full 1% here. I'm gonna use 0.50, 0.60 pips. 0.60%, sorry. Thing is, we still have room. We still have room to the downside. And the fact that we didn't have any retest when we broke this level, I still think we should have at least a rejection. This turned bearish, at least. Then it might continue up. Who knows? But let's see. I'm putting my stop just where this breakout candle started. If it comes all the way up there, then we're gonna know we're gonna have a fake out.
Yeah, I'm into.
So we'll
If we
see.
lose,
There's a lot of pressure on me now.
It's Beitu's fault, huh?
Yeah, Beitu's fault. I mean, as a setup, it's pretty good. No doubts about that. It's clean break and retest. The only problem is that it moved all the way down, and we can't expect the same movement again. We can expect a rejection since it's retesting now. It's the first time, but the only problem can be that daily. Otherwise, should
It's
be
a perfect
good.
setup. If we didn't have the daily over there, it would be the perfect setup, in my opinion.
The fact that also 4-hour close below left a wick should
Fail.
maybe go for a wick fill there. Let's see. Let's see. I'm half risk here in this trade. It's Friday, so I don't wanna risk the whole 1% on this trade. I see a hammer. What is that? Hammer.
It's a candle formation. Dodgy. The other way
Whoever
around.
is not comfortable, you don't have to take it. I was not very comfortable, so I took half risk.
Okay, I'm up 3 pips.
Nice rejection. Watch Usd Cad giving us 10 quick pips.
Secure, secure. Beto.
Yes, amigo.
Great trade, man.
Yeah, amigo.
Great call.
Let's see.
How about you, Jay? Is it a break and retest to a downside? No, man. Who's trading UJ? UJ is lame. So nothing on UJ. Well, you can be right about this, because it looks like it broke below the support and making a retest continue down. But we're still in this consolidation, so for me, I'm staying out of UJ for now. Usd Cad is moving. Good rejection. If we flip bearish, that would be great. Let's see. Let's wait and see. Thoughts on GJ, please. Support for further buys. I don't know. GJ didn't really break this 138.350 400 level yet. I mean, this current candle is doing that, but it's not official until the candle closes. So wait for this candle to close. Then you'll have a good close above this level. Come on, Usd Cad. Turn
6
bearish.
pips. 6 pips.
Turn bearish. Let's go. I got 5. Turn bearish and we are done.
For the day. For the week. What platform is it, please? Ask trading. This is Trading View.
How can you not know what platform this is? How?
The URL on the top side.
Thing is, Trading View is known for everyone. No, they don't see that.
Oh, they don't see it. Okay.
No. They don't. It's not the whole screen there.
Yeah, I see only the chart.
But this should be known for everyone who trades. Trading View is the first thing in the traders pack, or how do they say?
Toolbox.
Yeah, I mean, first thing you learn is Trading View. You go there and you start to draw zones, start to find a strategy.
You know what I'm gonna do, Siat?
What?
I'm gonna move to break it.
No, no, no. Let it go at least at bearish.
It's
You
bearish
know,
already. I'm up,
not yet.
and my MT4 is bearish.
I think it's gonna go bearish. It's already there. No, 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 no. Don't come back. You know, the thing is, if I move at break even, it's gonna stop me because spread. Like earlier than I would like to. I'm gonna wait at least turn bearish. Once it does, you can secure or wait for more. Who knows? It's your choice. 0.5% would do me good here.
Yeah, boy.
Let's go Usd Cad. Turn bearish and we're done. I'm gonna have to go then after that. I'm just waiting for this candle to close bearish. That's all.
6 to 6.
Take profit here should be 10 pips if you can hold it. Okay. Nice rejection.
Yeah, I was looking at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, we're about to go bearish. But the same price.
Yeah, 4 hours about to go bearish too. Yeah, this is gonna go bearish. No doubt about that. Let's go. Let's go bearish Usd Cad. Usd Cad doesn't listen to us. Like it's a stranger for us. It's the first time we're trading it. At least we got a trade. Like it's Friday. Didn't expect that much. For getting this trade, then yeah. Thankful still. Why is Instagram updated? Like stories are bigger. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? How long does this gonna take? You know, this candle took like 30 minutes just to start to move, then it started to move. Maybe it's gonna take the same time again.
You know what's holding it to go down? Yen, the cat.
Cat.
Yeah.
Let's see, still waiting. Let's go Usd Cad. Give us something. Well, this week was great, to be honest. We don't have much fundamentals, I think, except that EJ trade. It was very nice. Gave us 100 pips. But other than that, we had a quite week with technicals. At least on London session. Was good, I think. It was a great week. Come on, Usd Cad. Don't play with us. This thing is gonna take time. This thing is gonna take time. There's the time. Okay, we're going. Almost bearish. Just want to see a wick created below that. Yeah, on C trader it turned bearish. I see the red wick here.
Yes. On
the C trader, here it is.
On trading view is.
Look at my spread. It's around, I don't know. Sometimes it gets bigger, sometimes it is smaller. I don't know why that.
But how will you manage it right now?
Yeah, I got now, how many pips I have now? 6 pips.
You will secure a 10 and put it to break even now or when?
I'm gonna wait just a little bit more. Or
I'm thinking to put stop loss above the wick.
no, I'm gonna put stop loss at break even. Whatever happens, happens. Move my stop at break even, everyone.
You moved it.
Yeah, move my stop at break even. Move my stop just below my entry. Since it already turned bearish, move my stop at break even. And we'll leave it run. If it stops me at break even, okay. If it moves more, I'm gonna wait for 10 pips. I got like 6 pips, but it's not enough. I want at least 0.50%. Other than that, I'm not gonna take less. Stop loss or 10 pips. No, stop loss at break even or 10 pips.
Yeah, I move my stop above the wick. It's almost like break even for me, 2 pips away. It's fine. It's fine. And my take profit is my partial take profit is at 540 and it's around 80, 60. Let's see.
Let's see. Chris, just play the stream a little, go back a little, and you'll see it. Here's my entry is 0.89692. 692. Same as here. I mean, since we got the first rejection, should have some more continuation now. But if it comes back up again, then stop loss at break even and see you Monday.
Yeah, not risking much, not risking the profits from yesterday for me. So it's fine. Either it's gonna stop me out at -2 pips or profits. Let's go.
Little by little. See, when it starts to push up, my spread becomes bigger. Like I have like 2 pips. 2 pips a spread. No trade. What do you see here? What did I show now? This is a trade. Forgot to say that we were at break even. Stop loss at break even. Okay. Okay, everyone. Stop loss is at break even. Whatever happens, happens. If it stops us at break even, we move on to the next week, and we take some rest this weekend. Otherwise, you're gonna wait for 10 pips at least. We got like 6, but not enough. We need more. At least. Not worth it to open a trade for 5 pips. Unless you put 100 lots on it. But, yeah, like I said, I'm gonna have to go now. Is that good or bad? The spread gets bigger when it goes against you. It's bad because you can get stopped earlier than you would like to. Okay, I'm gonna have to go now, guys. I'm gonna have to go now. I'm a little bit late, maybe. Or I'm just gonna stay another 7 minutes. Okay, another 7 minutes.
Let's enjoy the show. So break even or profit.
Let's go Usd Cad. Start to push down.
Carlos, are you still in?
Yes, I'm in. I moved to break even, but I'm still holding.
Yeah, it hasn't come at our entry yet. It's staying below. Good thing.
Yeah, I'm gonna let it do its thing. Either break even or profits. 10 pips.
XM 5 pip spread. Yeah, XM is not good on these pairs. Not good spreads. XM doesn't accept clients from Europe, I think. At least not from my country, so never used it. Where is entry?
Where the green line starts.
No. If we have to explain that to people, it's game over. It's game over. Ending the week in a very nice way. Ending the week very nice way. What broker do you use? Pepperstone, IC Markets. EA can be good also when it breaks. Right now, what's happening with EA? Right now EA is pushing down, but you're gonna need a good close. See, the thing about EA, I wanted the breakout to be in this candle because there was great momentum, and going all the way below the previous candle, even though after it pushed like 30 pips, making another 30 pip pullback all the way down, breaking below that would be great momentum for us to sell EA. But then it got rejected. The next candle started to push. I don't know if I'm gonna trust this that much, but it can work. Why not? Personally, if I win Usd Cad here, if we don't get stopped at break even, I'm not gonna take anything else. I'm gonna call it a day until next week. There's no need to risk our money because there's no need to. We've done enough this week. We have to be pleased what we had this week.
Yeah, that's my last trade. The first and last trade for today.
Yeah.
Friday also.
Can you open copy trading for us? Well, unfortunately for US clients, haven't found a way yet. But we'll see. We'll see. Maybe we can find a way soon.
You pass this area like flipping and passing the wicks to the left. There are 2 wicks on the same level. I think you see it also said like this week and this week. If we can pass this area where it flips, man, that will be a very nice trade.
Yeah, I think so. We just need that flip bearish, and we'll have to push all the way down. Herman, why do you think NZD US dollar? Because NZD US dollar has a whole different chart. If you're in south, put your stop at break even, okay? Because if it pushes up, don't say that you got stopped, it touched your stop loss or anything like that. Just so you know, stop loss at break even. Attention, stop loss at break even. Attention, stop loss at break even. Is this enough? Attention, stop loss at break even. No, Usd Cad, you are going the wrong way. Okay, almost at break even. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to go now. Whatever happens. Don't have time to wait for this, so I'm going now. Have a nice weekend, everyone. Enjoy your weekend. Have a nice day. Then after this day, have a nice weekend, and see you all.
Thank you, Seth. Enjoy your weekend. Take care.
Thank you. We had a great
care, Seth.
week. Hope that we're gonna have next week the same. Make some good money. And yeah, thank you all. Take care, everyone. Thank you for your support. See you.